Imagine a world where cars no longer need you. Not your hands, not your eyes, not even your attention. Just a destination. That's it. This is Tesla's next leap, the Robotaxi, a machine that doesn't just drive, it decides. A car without a steering wheel, without pedals, because it doesn't need them. A car that redefines what it means to travel, to work, to live. Back in 2019, Elon Musk made a promise that many thought was impossible. We will have over 1 million robotaxis on the road. At the time, even tech experts laughed. The technology wasn't ready, the regulations weren't friendly, and the public wasn't ready to trust a car that drives itself. But today, in 2025, that future is no longer science fiction. Tesla's robotaxi fleet is real, and it's closer to launch than ever before. Tesla has been secretly testing its next-generation autonomous platform in multiple U.S. states. Unlike the Teslas you see on the roads today, these cars have no human interface, no driver's seat, no steering wheel, only a wide glass cabin, touchscreens, and AI, eyes dozens of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar working together with Tesla's FSD, full self-driving, V12 neural network. This is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in motion. Tesla's new AI doesn't rely on code-based instructions. It learns from millions of real-world miles, from billions of frames of driving data collected over the years by every Tesla owner in the world. Every turn, every mistake, every close call, it has all fed into a single superintelligence that's teaching these robotaxis how to navigate the chaos of human streets. Each robotaxi is a node in a network, connected through Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, the most powerful AI training system on the planet. Dojo processes petabytes of video data every day, teaching the cars how to understand motion, distance, and human behavior. It doesn't just see a pedestrian crossing the street. It predicts how fast they'll walk, where they'll move next, and when to slow down. That's intelligence, not automation. And what makes this even more revolutionary? Tesla plans to make this service affordable, cheaper than owning a car, cheaper than Uber. You'll tap a button on your phone, and within minutes, a driverless Tesla arrives. You step in, tell it where to go, or don't even speak at all. The AI already knows your patterns. It drops you off, and then drives itself to its next passenger, earning money for its owner 24/7. Think about that. A car that works for you, not the other way around. You buy it once, and it becomes a passive income machine, driving autonomously while you sleep. This is not a car. It's a worker, a digital employee on 4 wheels. But this raises a bigger question. If cars can work, what happens to human drivers? Across the U.S., 3.5 million people drive for a living. Truckers, Uber drivers, delivery workers. The robotaxi could replace millions of them within a decade. It's a revolution that comes with both promise and fear. The promise of cleaner cities, fewer crashes, lower emissions, and the fear of a future where AI doesn't just assist us, it replaces us. Tesla isn't just building a car, it's building an ecosystem. Every robotaxi will be connected to the Tesla network, operating like an AI-powered ride-sharing system with zero human input. No calls, no cancellations, no delays. A perfectly optimized system, run by algorithms that never sleep. In 2024, Tesla revealed glimpses of its robotaxi design. Compact, futuristic, built on the next-generation AV platform with a rumored cost under $25,000. That means mass production is not just possible, it's inevitable. Factories in Austin, Texas, and Giga, Mexico are already being expanded for the Robotaxi line. And the design? It's not just minimalist, it's futuristic. Panoramic windows, smooth metallic surfaces, no front grille, just sensors, lights, and intelligence. Inside, there's no steering wheel because there's no driver. Seats face inward, built for conversation, relaxation, or productivity. Some configurations are rumored to even include sleeping pods. Imagine commuting from Los Angeles to San Francisco while resting, working, or watching Netflix. But the most mind-blowing part isn't the design, it's the autonomy. Tesla's new FSD version uses end-to-end neural networks. That means no traditional code. Every decision, from turning left to parking, is made by an vision trained on real driving video. It doesn't calculate, it feels the road. It understands motion like a human brain, but reacts 1,000 times faster. Tesla calls it AI perception, and it's rewriting the rules of transportation. Where other companies failed because of complexity, Tesla succeeds through data. Every Tesla car on the planet acts as a sensor, feeding real-world learning to Dojo, giving Elon Musk's AI fleet the biggest driving brain ever created. Experts estimate that once the Robotaxi fleet launches, Tesla could unlock a multi-trillion-dollar market. Some analysts predict its value could exceed Uber, Toyota, and Ford combined, because this isn't just transport, it's transformation. It's an era where owning a Tesla means owning part of the world's largest AI-driven mobility network. But here's the catch. Tesla isn't alone anymore. Waymo, Cruise, Zoo, they're all chasing the same dream. However, Tesla's advantage is massive. Scale, real-world data, and a fan base that believes in the mission. And what's that mission? A world where transportation is autonomous, sustainable, and accessible to everyone. By 2030, experts predict that in cities like San Francisco, Los Angeles, and Austin, you might never need to own a car again. Robotaxis will dominate roads, managed by high-traffic systems that eliminate jams and reduce pollution. Accidents will drop by 90%. Commutes will shrink. Time, humanity's most valuable currency, will finally be freed. It sounds like a dream, but it's one that's already taking shape in Tesla's factories today. In the next few years, you'll look outside your window and see it. A car with no one inside, silently gliding past, glowing with blue light. No driver, no noise, no delay. Just the future, arriving right on time. This is Tesla's Robotaxi, the beginning of a driverless world, and the end of driving as we know it.